can't see.
Incoming!
Yeah.
Bro, just shoot! Where? Tuck and roll.
I'm coming back tomorrow. Yeah.
These are hang four conditions. Oh, it's coming to our back even.
Wow, it is picking up.
Cross your leg. Cross your leg. That's a bar snapper. Got it. Yeah. Welcome to Earth. That was interesting. Which one? The landing? What's that? The landing? Yes. That was quite an interesting landing. Whew. Damn. There's some good footage of Cal in there.
Yeah, he's doing awesome.
You're becoming the Spielberg of hang gliding. You know, I'm gonna make a deal that for the end of that has a handle on it. On what, the camera? Yeah, I'm gonna make it where it stands up and down and sideways at the handle. He's up there, I get to mess around with it somehow.
Cal's still up there with Captain.
Yeah. All the video.
Look at those clouds.
Because of the no, I never did put it in. We salvaged the old one, kept the other one just in case. What a
wow.
I got the 41 once.
Me too.
I can't